What's going on, everybody? I'm doing a video to show how to map the sliders in the Galileo organ app. I did a video on this about 2 years ago on this actual app. It's a great sounding organ app, and John Mike recently did another video on Facebook. One of the questions I was asked is how to map the sliders. As you see on here, I have my sliders mapped so that they have real drawbar action, and on this keyboard it allows me to do that. Now, you need to have a keyboard, obviously, that has sliders on it. As long as you have sliders, this part will be real easy for you. On the Galileo app, I typically go to full screen. After full screen, I go to preferences, which is just spelled P-R-E-F-S. All right, once you go to preferences, the next thing you want to hit is CC Learn. All right, it's continuous channel, MIDI learn continuous channel map. As you can see here, you can map every aspect of the organ. And I mean every aspect of the organ can be mapped to something. Now, I only have the upper drawbars mapped because what I do is on this axiom, I use the axiom to control the keyboard on the bottom. So keyboard on the bottom is controlled by this, and I typically leave the top for bass, and I just have the first 4 registers pulled out for bass, and so I'm fine. But I use this to control my top. So whenever you have your keyboard set, what you want to do is that you want to highlight the drawbar you want to set. Once you highlight it, you hit Learn. Once you hit Learn, you just slide the drawbar and it will automatically set for you. Now mine are already set, mind you, and I have a patch set in here. But once you do that, you set each one of them. Now this keyboard only has 9 drawbars. The last drawbar is set to volume, so I was not able to set this one. So what I did is that I set a couple. If you look here, this one, looks like I just messed up, but I'm not gonna save it. I set a couple of these to be on one slider. As a matter of fact, I set this 1 3/5 and the 1 1/3 to be on the same slider, but I just messed that up. But anyway, that's what I do. You can do that on whatever setting you want to do. But again, the way to map it is you go to CC Learn, click on whatever it is that you want to map. Once you do that, hit Learn, slide the slider, and it'll map it. Then from there, you just want to hit Save As. Once you hit Save As, you're able to type a name in there, and it'll save it. Now, so they're having some resolution issues. What you'll do, let's just say you have several, or let's say you have a couple of keyboards with sliders on it, and you want to save different configurations for each keyboard. It's very simple. All you do when you plug up your next keyboard, you map each one of those, you hit Save As, and it's saved. And then when you get ready to load it, I only have one here, but they will be all of the ones that you have saved. They will be there, and you just load the one that you want to put there, and it's saved for you, no problem. Like I said, mine's already loaded. But that's how you map the sliders for the BS16i organ. Now, I will tell you one thing that you need to do. You need to go here once you have your sliders mapped, because some of these have the exact same notes depending on your sliders. Some of them have the exact same MIDI continuous channel. So you want to go here and you want to turn these off. Each one of these, you want to go and turn them off. Now, to turn it off, let's just do this one. Turn it off, you would highlight it and then hit Unassigned Selected Cell. Once you do that, it will take whatever number is on it off of it, and it'll go to NA. That way you can be sure that you're not changing any of the other settings, because some of these other settings are assigned to MIDI continuous channels also, and you just go in and unassign those so that you won't accidentally change it. For example, I had it set to where I was sliding sliders and I was accidentally, or unintentionally rather, turning on the preamp. And I didn't want the preamp on, but it was coming on whenever I slid a certain slider. So that's why you want to turn those off. That's how you do it. Now, again, with this Axiom, I'm able to have the Axiom be the top keyboard, and the bottom keyboard is a totally different. And as you can see, the drawbars and even the Leslie control are all from this Axiom, just a matter of MIDI channels. So there you have it, easy way to control the Galileo organ. I hope you enjoy it and customize it to however you want to customize it. More to come.